You know, Goreca lived to be in his 80s, and every week he appeared on the stage of the Grand Ole Opry. And he always said he wished there'd be somebody around who would sing the Wabash Cannonball. Yeah, that's the song I'm going to sing. And you hear some strange things in here about coming down from Birmingham. How do you come down from Birmingham? Because everybody thinks about Birmingham, Alabama. And I looked that up, and there's 12 other states that have cities called Birmingham. Indiana, Iowa, Missouri, Michigan, Pennsylvania. And Michigan has one just above Detroit, about 5 miles. But my money is on Indiana because Indiana has a town called Wabash. And so I think the songwriter would be talking about Wabash in Birmingham, Indiana. But it could be Michigan. A lot of people went north to work in the railroad, automobile industry. Birmingham is just about 5 miles north of Detroit. From the great Atlantic Ocean to the wide Pacific shore, from the queen of rolling mountains to the South Belle by the shore. She's tall and she's handsome and known quite well by all. She's a combination on the Wabash Cannonball. She came down from Birmingham on a cold December day. As she pulled into the station, you could hear all the people say, there's a gal from Tennessee, she's long and she's tall. She came down from Birmingham on the Wabash Cannonball. Now the eastern states dandy, so the western folks all say. From New York to St. Louis, Chicago by the way. From the lakes of Minnesota where the rippling waters fall. No changes can be taken on the Wabash Cannonball. So listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roll, as he drives through the grasslands to the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear their lonesome voice call. You're traveling through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball. Now here's to Daddy Jackson, may his name forever stand, and always be remembered in the courts throughout the land. When his earthly days are over and the curtains round him fall, we'll carry him home to Dixie on the Wabash Cannonball. So listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roll, as he travels through the grasslands to the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear the lonesome hobos call. You're traveling through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball.